shine light. Doors closing. Whoa, this one's a bit more darker. This one is kind of dark. Still works properly. Let's take a look at this platform. Unlocked. Oh, this actually shines dark. Whoa, we'll have to get out of here. I'm sorry you can't see. Now we're on platform 1 and 2. Here we are. And you can see that train hopefully. There's that train. Platform 2. Platform 1 is already over there, see? Here, see? Now, here we are. Let's see. There's our track.
These are going too close to the edge.
Oh, we're going to go to the edge. Okay, there's the big one here again. Oh, hold on. The sky shines white on this camera. I hear a train. Is that a train?
Sounds like an airplane.
No, that's an airplane. I thought it was a train.
What number's that train, Joseph?
What?
What number's that train?
I'm not really sure. Oh, 84. 8784. That's what number it is. 84. Right.
Francis, stay up here where I can see you.
Okay, I'd love to see a train before I leave.
That's okay, we'll wait on one.
Good. I want to get a train as well.
Oh, we're not getting on a train today.
We're just watching it. We don't have to watch a train. There we are. That one? That's the building.
The Bangor one's coming to over this one, but we can wait on this seat.
Today. Yeah.
There's one coming, like.
Oh!
Saying.
A train! There's a train coming in. Can you see it?
Maybe if you do that hand. Thanks.
Come here.
The
I'm
Enterprise.
going to try making them beep the horn. What do you have to do to make the horn?
Do your hands down like as if you're pulling a horn.
Oh! Another big tongue! Another big tongue! Let's do it again!
Stay back, Francis!
Wow! That's so good!
The Enterprise, look at the speed of it.
Wow!
That's the one that goes to Dublin.
That was cool! Another big tongue!
That is a big train, isn't it?
Wow! That's a really nice train! So fast! Wow!
Wow. Look, there's a diesel going in. Do you want to see?
Yeah, let's watch the diesel go in. Let's watch the diesel go in.
Okay. There's the diesel going in.
Oh wow! Look! There goes the diesel!
Or is it the water? Oh, that's the water, is it? That's putting water in.
Look at that! Yeah, look at the diesel. I love to ride one of them trains that go really fast.
They sure do.
Would you like to ride one of them trains?
We'll ride one of these over the summer, okay?
Yes. No! Hey.
Do you want to have a look up here then?
Yeah, let's have a
We'll
look
go up
up.
to the top.
Let's get over
and
to
have
the
a
top
look.
of the platform. Let's get up the top of the platform. Let's go inside the train. Yeah, this is the train itself.
Francis, can you stay back across that yellow line is there so you don't walk across it?
Sorry.
Let's see where the driver goes, will we?
Yep, let's see the driver. Let's see the driver going. Alright. Right. It goes through that little tunnel to get to the other front. Yeah, you go through this little tunnel to get to the next front. Right. We're walking to this front over here. One that we can't see. I hear a train coming.
Look, I can see into the cab.
There's into the cab. Look at that. Nice cab. Nice cab. Good view.
Right.
There's in the cab. My mummy is going to hold the camera. Oh, isn't it a nice beautiful cab? It's got a lovely cab.
Francis,
It's got
stand
a
back.
lovely cab. Right.
And do you want to wait here then for it when the driver comes?
Yes. Let's wait here for the...
Stay back by the yellow line because these are very dangerous. Let's stand back down here a wee bit.
Yeah. Rusties. Let's watch this train departing them. Whoa. No.
Don't put That's its air brakes. Checking its brakes.
Said it was nice there. That was his air brakes. That done. Look at that. Look at that train. Look at that.
Oh, we're not allowed in.
Why not?
Because we haven't paid money to go in there yet, love. We're not allowed into that.
Why not?
Because we haven't paid money to go into it. We're not riding on it today.
This is a cruel train. It's really fast as well. Look at
Guppy,
this.
I'm going to stop this one now for a wee minute. You can do a new one when the driver comes, okay?
Yep.